the best quarter of L'Oréal in 10 years, and it's mostly due to the very strong growth in Asia. Not only China, by the way, because India is doing very well, Korea, many other countries, travel retail in Asia. But China is very strong. Sales in China are really flying, especially in luxury. And we have seen this for a long time, and it's going on. The latest news that we have are extremely good. So it's very strong, and it means also that we are not only taking advantage of this strong market, but also gaining market share, which is very good for the future.
And does this apply even on a forward-looking basis? And the reason I ask you this is we spent a lot of time on the show talking about the slowdown in the Chinese economy, the impact from the tariffs and the trade wars, and yet it appears as though the Chinese consumer is still very strong.
Absolutely, no. In terms of consumption, at least in our categories, the beauty category, in luxury, but also in mass, we don't see any slowdown. On the contrary, what we see is a great appetite of Chinese consumers. There is also more and more income that has to be spent. And what we see also is a premiumization, which means that Chinese consumers not only they want to buy more products, but they want also higher quality products, better products, more expensive products, which is extremely positive.
In terms of raw materials, are you beginning to see some cost price inflation driven by, again, the narrative of the trade wars and supply chain disruption?
Not directly to the trade wars. We are seeing here and there some increases, but you know, with the level of gross margin that we have, it's not going to impact very materially our business.
Let's talk about Western Europe. I see as a geography, it's a region that continues to struggle. We saw it the previous quarter. We're seeing it now with sales down about 1%. Do you think this is a reflection of a slowing economy, or is it a change in consumer appetite and a shift away from products, to traditional type products to different types of products?
No, I think the Western, the European economy has been slow or flattish for 2 years now. This is the third year. For us, we had 2 good years, last year and the year before. This year is a bit tougher, but we are still confident. We keep investing in Western Europe, and we count on the gain in market shares to keep growing. And it's true, it's very different between countries. Last year, UK was still dynamic. This year, much less. France is maybe improving, and Germany is still okay. So it's a mixed, but we are pretty optimistic for next year. Of course, we will not see a growth like in Asia, but we want to grow in Western Europe.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.